Hey there! So, let's talk about a common problem that can drive you a bit crazy. When you're searching on your computer and you come across these phantom files that seem to have stuck around even though they don't actually exist anymore. Frustrating, right? Now, the solution to this pesky issue is quite unexpected. Turns out, you need to rebuild the Spotlight index. I know, it's surprising because you've already tried various methods to get rid of those ghost files. But sometimes a good old index rebuild does the trick. Even though the files weren't showing up in Spotlight searches, this method somehow clears out those lingering references. Who would have thought, right? In summary, if you ever find yourself haunted by non-existing files that just won't go away, consider rebuilding the Spotlight index. It might be the surprising solution you never knew you needed. Alrighty, that's all for today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Catch you later.